Hello, this is Rohan here, and today I'm going to play Vehicle Simulator. Well, there's a little bit of a problem since I already been playing this game, so already have a truck and a Lamborghini McLaren and a Tesla Roadster, and a motorcycle, and a jet ski, and a speedboat, and a helicopter, and a pits. Well, that's a little bit of a problem, but I still have a whole bunch of cars to go. That's why I'm going to make a little bit of a series, trying to get every single car, and even all the lame cars, like the ATV, the Command GT4, I don't know how to say that, Chevy Camaro, the Chevy Impala, actually no, because I already have that, the Corvette Stingray, the Dodge Charger 1970, the Dodge Ram 3500, just all those cars. I'm gonna have to try to get every single one, and literally every single one, and all the supercars. Maybe not the 12 million one, just because I don't buy money on this game, because I don't have enough Robux. I play this game. I actually have got all of these without buying anything. I have played this game without getting anything, so it's gonna be really difficult. I'm gonna have to get a lot of things off camera to try to get all the supercars, but well, this is one of my favorite cars, but what I'm trying to do is get the McLaren P1, and I can show you that, but that's the car I'm trying to get right now. I'm almost to 1 million, but it's 1,600,000, which is gonna take a while. Let's get there. There we go. Ow! I forgot about ejector seat. Well, see, I'm going to show you the car I'm going to try to save up for. I could change my mind instead of getting back at the Bugatti Veyron and the LaFerrari. Man, the LaFerrari looks so nice. I don't know. Comment down what one I should get first. That one? I don't know, because this one goes like 470, I'm pretty sure. Because one of my friends told me that. And then the McLaren P1, I'm pretty sure goes like 370. It's that, I don't know, but it might have better sellers. I got stuck in the elevator. Just wait a second. Guys, I think I actually found how to fix it. What's going on? Oh my goodness. I found out how to fix it. What you do when you're like, pretend you're stuck here and the door's closed, you press Q in third person, and then you do like this. So press Q and then zoom out and press the green button. I just found that out, since when you press Q you can go through walls, which is very weird. Well, let's go. So you pretend I'm stuck, and then you can press it. No! Last time going up the elevator. Again. Here we go, the McLaren P1. It's my favorite car in real life, if you are wondering. That's why I want to get it so bad. And it looks awesome. Wait for it. Hello. I'm blocking the view, actually. Never mind. What does it look like in red? This looks fine. Well, doesn't it look nice? I really like it, but it looks kind of better in real life, but this one also looks amazing. But I already have that. That's a pretty good car for its price. Well, anyways, I'm not doing that right now because I don't have enough for that. Well, that's what I'm going to be saving up for, so I'm going to do a little bit of off-camera grinding, maybe. Or should I get a different car? What do you guys think? No, I'm going to do some off-camera. We'll see you in a few seconds. Guys, if you were wondering how I got this car, if you get the game in beta, then you get this car. Just telling you. This is also my fastest car. No! Why did I do that? Oh, never mind. Bye-bye. Oh, I done better than that before. I'm going to the sun. Bleh. Yes, 1 million. Yes, yay. What, 600 more to go? Oh man, look at that guy. He has 6 million. Wow, not as much as I ever seen though. One YouTuber has 30 million, but yeah. Hello, don't you like my car? How do you like my car? Well, do you like it? I can beat you in a race with it. Okay guys, I finally had enough to get the car. It took about a whole day, but finally time to show you. It's a little bit of a surprise, but don't worry, I already did all the modding of the car. I already upgraded not everything, but I already upgraded some of it because I can't afford to upgrade everything. But so you don't have to worry about watching that. But do you think this is worth it? Oh, it's so pretty. It's not too fast yet, just because I haven't upgraded. It just respawned. Oh, come on. This is actually my dream car in real life. It looks so nice. I don't know if I already said that, but it turns really good and drifts pretty good. And it's not as fast as I thought it was, but let's see if it's any faster since I upgraded a little bit. It went like 223 when I didn't upgrade anything yet. So let's see if it's any faster. Not really. That's because sometimes adding all the the racing stuff actually doesn't really change that much. It's kind of weird. I think it did change. Oh yeah, it did. It's okay. I know why my top speed didn't upgrade actually, because most of the stuff I added was acceleration. That's why. Oh no, it is. It goes 1 mile faster. 1 mile, and acceleration is so much better than when I got it because I did the short gears because those are my favorite to do. That's why it's not super fast right now. But once I do the nitros, it'll be way faster because nitro is what you need. So let's do a little bit of a quick race. It was nice because off camera I was racing another McLaren. Hopefully there's a McLaren here. Nope, there's a Lambo and a Gari. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna win because I don't have nitro. But actually I might win since I did the short gears. And the short gears, if you were wondering, are actually the best for the drag races because they make you acceleration better, and this is all about acceleration. Okay, it's also about speed, but you just need to go about 210, have amazing acceleration. That's all you need on the drag races. Because acceleration is the faster you get to the end. And then top speed is just, well, it's kind of important because if your top speed is 1, then you would only be going 1 mile per hour and you would lose. So you do need to go at a decent speed. So it's kind of about acceleration. Oh, I can't get over the looks. The looks. Oh, I love the car. Wait, am I really gonna race the ATV? I hope I don't, because that would be a boring race because it's obvious who's gonna win. Actually, maybe. The ATV looks kind of fast. Well, let's find out. Who do you think was gonna win? Yeah, I'm winning because I upgraded my acceleration and it's a little faster. Okay, it's not the fastest because I got 7 seconds. I could do better than that. Only 7? At least it has good acceleration, but I got 5.8 before. That's just because the Tesla Roadster was OP. But I think they might have made it slower because it was way too fast. And it is true, because in real life, I'm pretty sure that car is actually a good price and it's very fast. I'm not sure. It might have been the Corvette. I don't know, but that car used to be amazing. I hope they don't get rid of it. I don't know why they didn't do the same thing to the motorcycle. because I'm pretty sure they might update it and they didn't tell anyone. I don't know if they did, but let me show you something. I used to have the motorcycle, and well, I actually still do, but I can't spawn it, and I finally found out why I can't spawn it or upgrade it. Because if I go in the store, it used to be exactly right there. Exactly right there. And now there's a spot, how do you say that? See, they've removed it. Which was actually a good idea, because it was way too fast. And it's really fast in real life, because I'm pretty sure the fastest motorcycle goes 350. So, that's why. So they just removed it, because it was too fast. Kind of funny. But, ooh, the acceleration is wonderful. See, let me show you a little bit of the... Okay, that wasn't the best drift. It was okay since I didn't crash. But just, okay. Let me just show you a little bit of the turning. Like, look at this. Just, wait, okay. Here's a good example. You know, it's pretty good, see? It turns amazing. And it drifts pretty good. I just like it because some cars turn really slow, but this one turns kind of fast. But not too fast. One of my favorite things about this car is the backlights. Look at the backlights. I love them. It's the same thing in real life. Just look at that. Oh, and the lights look nice. That's how the game is anyway, because the lights are wonderful. I'm turning off because it's kind of weird to have a humongous light in the front of your car. I don't really know what to do now. Okay, let's try to get into a highway race. Let's see if I can get a highway race going. Well, sadly, I couldn't get anyone to race at the highway. So instead, I'm just going to do the drag race. And it's not that far away, so I'm not going to jump cut. Except that one's just a little bit far away. It takes a little bit of time. So I guess I just did that. There we go. Now let's get into a race. A Lamborghini Hurricane and... a Lamborghini Hurricane. This might be a close... Oh, never mind. 8 seconds. I can beat that. Because my car goes 7 seconds. So I can beat that. Most definitely. I'm ready to go. Yes. Me against Lamborghini Hurricane. I don't know who's gonna win, actually. Oh, no, please. I don't want to lose against the Lamborghini Hurricane. Did I... Let's see. Who won? It doesn't say up there? Okay, I lost. He got 7 seconds. So he did a lot better. So last time, I guess he just got a bad start. Man, I got 7 seconds and 3. Wow, I can do better than that. It's because I don't have nitro. That's the whole problem. Well, I'm going to end the video. Actually, no, I'm not going to end it. I'm going to pause it until I have nitro. I'm going to do a last race at the very end. Guys, I can already tell this car's going to be so fast with nitro. I just added the ludicrous engine after a little bit of... It didn't take that long just because it's you get money a little bit faster with faster cars, but it goes 281 mph without nitro, just the ludicrous engine and all the suspension stuff and some things. That's insane. Like, that's about like almost the full speed of my McLaren I had with nitro and everything. That's crazy. Well, actually, that race I did actually failed. Yes, finally got a race with no annoying background sound. Right when I say it's probably going to start in like 2 seconds. Ooh, win? Guess who's going to win? Well, probably, I don't know what car that is. Please don't make any annoying noises. No, I have no nitro. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Ooh, I got 6 seconds. That's a lot better than it was without nitro. Well, that's the end of the video. Well, make sure to subscribe and like and buy. I need to hurry up before that annoying noise happens.